Divorce is one of the most difficult events people face in their lives, requiring you to make important life and family restructuring decisions, often amidst great stress, anger, and grief. It does not need to be a traumatic and expensive legal battle in which everybody loses. I'm Stuart Watson with Oregon Divorce Guides. I've been supporting couples and families through divorce and separation for 20 years. And I've developed a process that maximizes the benefits of mediation, which include reduced costs, time, conflict, and stress on children. Additionally, about 25% of our clients find it helpful to individually obtain legal advice from a family law attorney. With Oregon Divorce Guides, you will identify your goals and priorities, have all the information you need to make decisions, map your progress and always know next steps in the process, thoughtfully discuss and consider your options, and come to a complete divorce settlement agreement that provides the best chance for a positive future for the members of your family within the realities of divorce. I feel honored to be able to support couples and families through such a vulnerable, challenging transition. And I'm committed to providing a compassionate, well-structured, and effective environment for this to take place. Thank you for listening. Please check out all the resources on the website and give me a call if you have any questions.